Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I collaborated with the Witty Company again on their new Derma roller, and I wanted to give you guys kind of an unboxing and a little demo. Here we go, let's open it. It's this beautiful package. I thought it was perfect timing, all of the apple blooms. This is what it's called the Derma roller botanical face serum. Right inside we have a little card that kind of talks about product and how to find the company online. And then right inside we have the Derma roller, the botanical serum. And this is the Derma roller. As you see here, this little roller has very tiny spikes on it. When you roll it on, you can kind of feel it's like little pokies. It's not invasive, it's not uncomfortable. It just kind of feels like a normal face massage. Got the serum right here. Isn't it such beautiful packaging? I love this stuff so much. I've tested it out for the past couple weeks and I love it. It's just a nice little dropper. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you guys kind of how to use the product, the best things about the product, and why it's so amazing. So the nice thing on the package, it gives directions on how to properly use the Derma roller. It is such a new and innovative product that a lot of people don't know how to use it. So I'm very thankful they put the instructions right on the back. So the purpose of the Derma roller, it has little tiny spikes that are kind of similar to the Derma facial, also known as the Dracula facial, which are little needles that poke into your skin to kind of help resurface your skin as well as be able to penetrate and fully absorb products such as the botanical serum. But it's a lot less invasive as a Dracula facial because they're just tiny little pokes that barely penetrate the top layer of your skin, just giving some space for the serum to fully sink in, give your skin all the benefits it needs. This serum I've started to use so much because it is a oil, but it dries super fast, making it easy for you to put makeup on afterwards. You can wear it before bed, I often do, and you won't get any oil on your pillowcase. You don't have to like pull your hair back or anything. It just absorbs super quickly. The different benefits for the serum are increases skin firmness and elasticity, softens skin by boosting skin hydration, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brightens skin for youthful glow, reduces pore size, which I definitely noticed. The first time I used it, the next morning, my pores had shrunk to almost nothing. Definitely noticed that. Smooth skin by reducing inflammation and redness, stimulates collagen, and restores the foundation for your youthful looking skin. It also helps fight off bacteria that causes acne and results inflammation. And there's just a long list of amazing ingredients right on the side here, as well as it's for all skin types, not tested on animals, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and non-toxic ingredients. So it's all natural and it is such good stuff for your skin. You can purchase these products on Amazon, which is great because if you have Amazon Prime, you get 2-day shipping, meaning you will get this amazing facial sent right to your door within 2 days. When I describe this to other people that are wanting to buy it, I often say it's like having a professional facial that's done at your home, the comfort of your home, which is the best because I don't like to spend money on myself, which is bad, and I should fix that. So having a product that's under $20 that is going to greatly improve my skin, that I can do it in the comfort of my own home while I'm watching a movie. If you would like to win your very own kit, I am giving one away thanks to Witty Company, so definitely check out the description bar down below for all the details on how you can win your very own. Thank you so much, Witty Company, for collaborating with me on this giveaway. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are going to try this product. It'll change your skin's life forever. Have a wonderful day. Bye!